What is going on with GEVO? GEVO, this stock is going crazy right now. I hope you guys made a ton of money on this stock. GEVO going from $4 yesterday up there to $20. I mean, what is going on? This is really the type of setup, the type of stock that, I mean, when it comes down to it, this is the type of stock that can make or really kind of break your entire year, maybe your month. I saw a couple other traders that traded it from like $6 to $7 to $8. I'm not saying I probably would have got the entire move. You know, there's no way I would have traded it from $4 to $20, but I mean, there were some serious opportunities in there, and that's really what it's all about when it comes down to day trading. So I just kind of want to make this video, kind of talk about GEVO today. And, you know, I'm not trading this week. I'm out here in Oregon right now. You can kind of see this little cabin style, just out here in the woods. Sitting here kind of just watching the market a little bit this morning. Seeing what's going on with GEVO this morning, and it's crazy. I mean, again, this stock has gapped up. It gapped up from what, $13 to $17. It's still kind of all over the place. How high can this stock really go? That's the question. Yesterday, the high of day was 20.51. Can it go higher than that today? It's at $19. We'll see. Got a super small float. I'm not sure if you would call this feeling FOMO, but really it's just like, wow, I really missed out on an insane opportunity. I saw a couple of people posting up some pretty nice P&Ls yesterday, so it definitely would have been nice to get some of that action. There's always going to be another opportunity, and that's kind of the cool thing. The last 2 years, one thing that I've learned is that these supernova, these crazy stocks that go straight up, you know, up 300, 500, 600%, they come around, you know, every once in a while. Every couple of weeks, every couple of months, you're gonna have these stocks that just go straight to the moon. I remember trading DRYS dries back in the day when it went from like $3 to $100, and it was just insane. So there's always opportunities out there, but really it just comes down to you know, waiting for the right opportunity and then executing the plan when that opportunity comes around. GEVO, I mean, this is one of those stocks you buy 1,000 shares of, you sell 500, and you let the rest ride. I mean, imagine buying, you know, 1,000 shares there at $7, selling half, you know, $8 or $9, and then letting 250 shares ride for the next $10. I mean, even with 250 shares, if it would have went up $10, you're still making $2,500 with only 250 shares of a $7 stock. So that's not bad at all. This trip has been good. It's been good just to kind of, you know, relax the mind, get back to the drawing board, and then, I mean, next week, I'm ready. I'm ready to come back with fresh outlook and really just kind of a new understanding or a new idea, you know, getting back to the idea of just waiting for the right opportunities. I think, you know, GEVO is a perfect example. You know, seeing this stock on Monday, seeing it go crazy like that was like, okay, see, Patrick, you just need to wait for the right opportunity. You need to wait till the market is just so crazy where these stocks are going up, it's going up, and there's just really no way to lose. So that's really what it comes down to, is just waiting for that right opportunity. You know, being available, being on the computer, being able to trade, but really, you know, knowing when the right setup comes along that you're ready to execute. And that's what I'm gonna be working on. I know it's a little late. Everybody's already talked about it. Everybody's already made the videos about GEVO, but I think there's a good lesson to be learned here, that there's always going to be another great opportunity coming up. Even if you miss out on GEVO, well, guess what? There's gonna be another one probably next week or the week after, or maybe next month. There's gonna be another stock, an even crazier stock, an even wilder move that's gonna come along. And at the end of the day, we're gonna be ready for that. We're gonna be ready to capitalize. I'm excited to get home and just kind of get back into, you know, a solid rhythm, a good rhythm of not worrying about my daily P&L and really just worrying about, you know, getting some solid trades in, not worrying about the daily P&L, and just seeing the action go down. So GEVO back up above $20. Is it gonna break above 21? This is gonna be amazing. I'm sitting here just kind of watching. It's almost like watching the early morning news or watching a sitcom, but really just watching the chart of this stock right now. It is going to the moon. Did you guys trade GEVO? I'm interested to see how many of you guys, how many people watching this video right now traded GEVO yesterday. What was your entry? What was your exit? Kind of what did you think about this stock? Leave a comment below. I'm interested to see how many people out there traded this stock yesterday. How many people made money? And did you make money? Did you lose money? That's the good question. I saw a couple people posted that they ended up losing a little bit of money on Gevo, but you know, that's just part of it. There's gonna be those days where a stock's gonna go straight to the moon and you're still gonna lose money. I've done it, I've had those days, don't worry about it. But if you did trade Gevo, leave a comment below. Let's see how many people traded it, what was your entries, and kind of compare, you know, overall, where were people getting in, where were people taking profit, and kind of what was your plan with this stock. I'm gonna be interested to see if this thing's gonna break over 21 today. Pretty wild, pretty wild. But you can see here in Oregon, Oregon's a beautiful place. Got this sweet little cabin going on. I mean, is it a cabin? Would you call this a cabin? It's like a remote outdoor kind of sweet house. And I'll give you guys a tour on the vlog and all that stuff, but let's go outside here really quickly and just breathe in that fresh air, baby. You're definitely not in Miami. This is that fresh. Look at that, you can hear the birds chirping, baby. Hear the birds chirping out there. See all the trees. Oh, it's a beautiful morning, baby. It is a beautiful morning, great time to be alive, and I'm excited. I'm excited just to spend the week out here in the great wide open. Be amongst it, be amongst it. Got a little bit of Wi-Fi, but after I finish this video, we're gonna go down to the beach. We're gonna just relax and do a little filming today. I'm a little bummed, I'm a little sad that I didn't trade it, but at the same time, I know there's gonna be another opportunity coming up real soon. There's gonna be always another crazy supernova madness, just insane stock right around the corner. And, you know, hopefully everybody out there made a little bit of money yesterday, and maybe you're making money today on it. Who knows? We'll see. Leave a comment below. What'd you guys trade it? What'd you guys buy it? Where'd you guys sell it? Let's see. Let's see what the overall consensus is. Let's see how many people actually traded this crazy stock.